Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Marc Jacobs unboxing video for you guys. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So let's go ahead and get started. I have been dying to open this and I've been waiting patiently to share it with you guys as well. So this is one of the bags that has been on my wish list for some time, and I finally went ahead and grabbed it. So this is the leather sack bag by Marc Jacobs. Oh my goodness, it is stunning. It is beautiful, you guys. So this is the most beautifully soft full grain leather. It has the most subtle but beautiful the sack bag embossed with Marc Jacobs. And this is beautifully packaged. Definitely well wrapped. And I ended up paying $495 for this large bag. Now I do have this in the small, and I will show you a comparison. Let me go ahead and get this off. It's loud. I'll be back. Okay, so my first impression of the bag in person is, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. Full grain leather. It is so soft and supple. And then on the back, it has the usual Marc Jacobs, and it says the sack bag. It is beautiful. So much larger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, this color, you guys, it is gorgeous. So let me just tell you the dimensions real quick on this one. So it is 15 inches in width. It is 8 inches in the height of this bag, and it is 6 inches deep. So, I mean, a pretty good size bag here. Really, really nice. Oh, look at that stitching. That is beautiful. So I'm a huge fan of Marc Jacobs bags. I feel like his quality is just amazing. His price points are stellar for genuine leather bags, and they're always just really well made, really well designed, and just stunning, as you can see for yourself. Let me go ahead and unpack the inside now. Okay. Oh, so nice. Okay, so then here is this portion of the bag, which fully comes out. It then again has this lovely leather patch with the intricate stitching, and it says Marc Jacobs. It also has this magnetic sort of clasp that attaches inside the bag to keep this lovely pouch inside the bag. This is so pretty. Okay, it also has this nice leather strap with the silver clasp again, so you can attach it to the inside of the bag. And then silver hardware with a leather zipper pull. Ooh, a zipper like butter. And then inside we have the care card, and what a lovely, lovely pouch. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm thrilled by this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and look inside the bag. I love this handle. It is so sort of hobo style. It's super supple and soft. I just love this. I just really cannot wait to wear this sort of just like that or on my shoulder. I will do some mod shots at the end. So let's go ahead and see the inside. There is the magnetic part, as I showed you with the pouch. That just kind of shows you where those attach inside the bag. So one is on this side, and then the other one is on the other side. Then inside the bag, we have a dust bag, which I'll show you in a second. Just one large, really nice interior, lined with this kind of what feels like almost like a waterproof or water resistant interior. Really nice coating. And then you have a nice, looks like, yes, leather pouch. Let's see if I can move the handle so you can see. And again, embossed there, Marc Jacobs. Beautiful sort of leather pouch. Super nice for your phone or a card holder, just to secure that there. And then, wow, that is such a nice size bag. Let me just, oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this inside. And again, this is going to fit all the things. This would be such a great sort of everyday bag, definitely a nice work bag, because you're gonna fit everything that you need in life right in this bag. So beautiful. So nice. Good mom bag. Great if you're a student and you want to take all the things. I love this. So, so pretty. Again, this retails for $495 and the most beautiful quality leather. I love this bag so, so much. Beautiful. This will fit all the things. Absolutely all the things. I'm so excited to get this. This is a, I wouldn't say heavy, but it is definitely a substantial bag. It is 1.6 pounds. So not terrible, but it does have some weight to it. So keep that in mind. The more you add, the heavier it's going to get. And all by itself, it's 1.6 pounds. So just keep that in mind. It does have a nice comfy strap, so great for shoulder carry. And then you can always crook the arm carry as well if you wanted to. This is just such a beautiful, spacious kind of sack style bag, and I am here for it. I've wanted the large size for quite some time. I did have the sack bag in the little size small. Such a huge difference in the size of these two. This is such a little cutie. I absolutely love this, but very small. And definitely, you know, for a quick run out to the store, you really can only fit your bare essentials in the little one. This large one is so nice. I mean, this is like a day trip bag. I mean, it just fits all the things. Mom bag, student bag, work bag. This is all the things. So just wanted to quickly show you a slight size comparison so you could see what those look like. I'm gonna do some mod shots real quick so you can see what this looks like on. So quick mod shot. This is what this bag looks like. I am 5'10", and this is the cutest bag ever. I am so excited. So excited for this bag. All right, so on the shoulder, so beautiful. Like I said, it fits all of the things. This is lovely, you guys. Lovely. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like. I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.